America, we must make doubly sure no person is held to account for a crime he or she did not commit. So we are dramatically expanding the use of DNA evidence to prevent wrongful conviction.
One of the underappreciated facts about blood transfusion is that if you get my blood, you will now have my DNA. There's some fascinating data that has come out in the last 10 years, where a group of physicians took a look back at World War II veterans who were transfused during World War II. And guess what? A significant percentage of them, over 25%, actually had DNA from a different person circulating in their body. There's been a number of studies shown that if you give a blood transfusion without reducing out the white cells, and still in the United States 50% of our blood is given without reducing the white cells, you will become what is called a chimera. You will become a blended animal. You will no longer be a single, distinct human being. You will be a multi-DNA'd animal carrying somebody else's DNA. How long, we don't know, but it's fascinating from the World War II group of veterans that still, some 50 years later, they still carry the DNA of the person that they were transfused from. We know today that a number of rare diseases are carried in your DNA. Your propensity for getting lymphoma, leukemia, something else, cancers may be affected by this. Your transmission of this may lead to any number of other diseases moving through a population. It's never been studied, nor do we have the foggiest notion about the effect of blood transfusion on what we call the epigenetics, the movement of these genes through a population.